AVL it is one of the world's leading engineering companies in the world. We offer services for development, testing, and simulation in the automotive industries and beyond. Really relevant for AVL Italy, there is the activity led by us related to the manufacturing of the batteries that will bring us during this year to prototype the batteries that we have developed all together with the consortium, so we hope to a great result.
In AVL Technical Center Italy, we have set up a workflow that satisfies high safety standard, just to protect assembly operators and people that are supervising the work activities. So, battery pack assembly process is modular, like the design itself. The first step is to prepare the cells. Voltage on the cell is measured just to detect faults. Then, on the cells, thermal pads and thermal fin are applied. After that, we apply on top of the cell a thermal sensor that will be useful to detect some thermal runaway in the normal use of the battery. After that, we realize 6 couples of cells that will be compressed in a tool and fixed by lateral holding plates. At that point, we have a first form of model realized, and then we place on it the control electronics, and after that the mounting process for the model is finished. After that, modules are placed inside the battery pack housing. Depending on the particular battery pack that we have to realize, we use 32 modules inside an 800 voltage battery pack and 16 modules inside a 400 voltage battery pack. Then modules are interconnected by bus bar, and at the end a top cover is placed on each module. So then junction box, DC filter and the battery management systems are inserted inside the battery housing. Then these components are connected to the external connector by some bus bars. Then we place on top of the battery pack the top cover, and this top cover will close hermetically the battery and the cooling system of the battery itself. So the innovative features are the modularity of the design and the simplicity of mounting. These two characteristics are very important to adapt the mounting sequence to an automated process, and also the use of novel and reusable components is an indication of the sustainability of the project. We expect as main goals the recyclability of components and materials and the second life use of the components inside the battery pack. The modularity of the design makes simple to disassemble the battery pack to the cell level. And this means that we can reuse cells and modules for a second life cycle, or components that we cannot use anymore can be recycled and can be the base products for the reproduction of cells and other components.